Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to use apps on the home screen Bush Smart TV UK. To launch an app on the home screen, press Menu. Scroll to the desired app, then press OK to launch the app. To exit the app, press EXIT. To move an app on the home screen, scroll to the desired app. Press down. Scroll to move, then press OK. Scroll to the desired position, then press OK. The app has now been moved. To remove an app from the home screen, scroll to the desired app. Press down. Scroll to delete, then press OK. Scroll to Yes, then press OK. The app has now been removed from the home menu. To reset the apps on the home screen, scroll to TV. Scroll to Reset Apps, then press OK. Scroll to Yes, then press OK. The apps on the home menu have now been reset. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.